Welcome to Igbo History TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification button for more updates. Today we are going to talk about Akpan Utuk, Ibibio-biafran war hero. Akpan Utuk was a strategic and successful colonel in the Biafran army. In 1967, with the start of the Nigerian Civil War, Utuk, a native of Ibibio, joined the Biafran army and quickly rose in ranks. Utuk is said to have fought at most of the large-scale battles during the Biafran War. When Utuk was made colonel, he was put into command of the Biafran 16th Division to defend the city of Owerri from the oncoming Nigerian army. When General Benjamin Adekunle decided to invade Aba instead of Owerri, he was pleased and decided to stay back and let Major Timothy Atu handle the Nigerians. After separate battle at Aba and Umuahia, Utuk did not expect the Nigerian army to arrive. On September 17, 1968, General Benjamin Adekunle attacked Owerri. Utuk and his men overpowered Adekunle's troops and forced them to flee to Uguta. But when Utuk arrived in Uguta, he was met with heavy firepower from Adekunle's troops. Utuk fled to Umuahia, leaving Owerri open to occupation. Immediately after the occupation of Owerri, Biafran President General Ojukwu, who had made himself a military general, ordered Utuk and Major Atu to invade and take Owerri. The outrage over Major Atu's combat death was so great that he commanded that sector, ordered the summary execution of the soldier who had deliberately killed Atu instead of taking him as a prisoner of war. After 7 months of heavy fighting, Utuk was able to recapture Owerri. After Owerri was retaken, Ojukwu sent Utuk and Atu to Umuahia for defense. On March 22, 1969, Nigerian General Mohammed Shua invaded modern-day Abia State with 8,500 men. A large force of MiG-17s bombed the towns of Uzuakole and Arochukwu, but did not damage any Biafran defenses. On April 22, Shua was able to break through Atu's line of defense and took Umuahia. Utuk decided to invade the city, and after 4 hours of Nigerian occupation, Utuk was able to retake the city. 9 months later, in 1970, when Biafra surrendered to Nigeria, Col.Akpan was among those who attended the party that was held in Lagos. That was the last time anyone saw or heard from him.